An old-time radio voice is easy in Premiere Pro, okay? This is how you do it. This is what our video sounds like. Hello, this is Logan. If he was from the 40s, 50s, 60s, whichever one you want. Okay? Real easy, okay? So what am I going to do? I'm going to head over into Effects and I'm going to look for Parametric Equalizer. Drag and drop that onto your audio. Head up into the effect controls of said audio. And under Parametric Equalizer, Custom Setup, press Edit. At the very top you have these presets just here. Let's now go all the way down to Old Time Radio, funnily enough. Now what does that sound like now?
Hello, this is Logan. If he was from the 40s, 50s, 60s, whichever one you want. Hello.
That sounds good, okay? It sounds okay, but it's quiet. So I'm happy with that. So let's leave it there. Then let's add another effect so we can get that a little bit louder, okay? So what you want to type is single band compressor. Drag and drop that onto your audio as well. And in that effect controls, custom setup, edit, the same as we did before. And again, under presets, press voice thickener, and that's going to adjust that gain. So let's see that that sounds like now.
Logan. If he was from the 40s, 50s, 60s, whichever one you want.
Okay, let's up the gain a little bit more.
This is Logan. If he was from the 40s, 50s, 60s, whichever one you want. Hello.
That's how you do it. That's how you make the old time radio effect in Premiere Pro. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.